I'm the financial accountant at the Wisley Golf Club. Wisley Golf Club is a private members golf club set in the heart of Surrey. It's 700 members that own and run the club. We have a small administration office. The accounting is done by each department.
We have 5 different departments here. We get a lot of invoices, so we have a pro shop who does ordering every day and a bar and a kitchen who do the same, and actually course maintenance as well, so it's quite full on.
Yooz has helped us consolidate all of the invoices from all of the many different suppliers. Paperwork constantly got lost, especially when you were looking for deliveries or if they were holding the invoices because there was a dispute on the delivery of the goods. So we would lose sight of all of those invoices. Also, there was a long paper trail. They would arrive by post, they would get stamped and registered and then sent out to each department. We would then receive them back and we would start the whole process again within the accounts department, approving. The amount of paperwork we created was just inefficient. It's phenomenal. It's so much easier. From a simple point of view, I always describe Yooz as my filing cabinet. So we've been able to get rid of loads of paper out of the office and out of the archives. Also, the process for getting the invoices authorised and tracking them through the system has just made all of our lives easier. There's a lot of times when people want to go back a year or even back to the last week to find an invoice. They can now do that themselves. We have full visibility and transparency of what's on the system, what's being waited to be approved. It also makes the month-end payment a lot quicker as well because it makes it easier to reconcile the invoices to statements.
I use Yooz every day, and then it's really great that I can keep an eye on where the invoices are. If there are any issues, I can go in and edit them at any stage of the process, which is very helpful. And then I can see when they're being uploaded and whether they're ready for payment. There's also a really handy comment section on the invoices, which is very helpful if there are any changes that need to be made or any orders that need to be kept an eye on. I can do that really easily. Have a dislike for lots of paper, and I can't imagine having to trawl through piles of paper for each supplier or for each department. So the fact that I can just really easily search by department or I can search by supplier name is fantastic.
I would recommend Yooz. It makes your life easier and it's very simple to use. I would say we've saved in the accounts department probably at least 2 days a week.